Back to the drawing board. Hey, everybody, what do you want me to just be straight ass over here and tell you everything I think and I can't enjoy it and I got to be straight faced? Forget it. If nobody wants to watch me, what can I do? I have to be me in action, nobody other than and who is just who is me. Bring the bike. Bring all those motorcycles. Oh, I like what those motorcycles look like. I mean, what the women look like with those motorcycles. Wow. Anyways, just did a video. Sure did, and it wouldn't upload. So I'm not even sure if this one will upload. So, starting, and I know I might end up in defeat. I shall begin. Shall I begin? Are you ready? Do I look a little suntan? Okay. Let me lift the glasses. Number one, I'm going to show you how the little worlds work. And I'm just going to show you the closest connection related to numbers and sort of some designs, okay? Now what over here is we have north and south, okay? Now what you're supposed to have is 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, okay? But wait, we have this, okay? This is the connector. And this is the same connector. They're used for the same ones. It's like the 0.0. Okay? It makes the difference between the 4 and the 3, or the 4 and the 3 zeros. They're one. They create north, south, east, west, and this way and that way, and that way and this way. If each one was totaled and looked at as all O's because they're connected, it would say 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, and that would say 1776, 1776, 1776, 1776. 2 times 1776 is 3652. The difference is 16, the one spirit of the 6 islands. The number 7, that's no longer here. The spirit, because we're back in the other world. This is the expression of the beta world 2.5. So we get 3652. 3652 and 3652, okay, to stop right there, okay, and now I'm going to continue, equals to 7,304, okay, 7 of 3, if you reverse it, it's Christ. Of 04, the angel. Total 77. Why 77? Because 73 and 4. 77. It says Christ. Okay. The other thing I'm going to show you is 88 times 8, all the directions, equals a base flat of 704. And everybody knows 704 is Christ. It's 7x. Which part of 7 is it? Is it at 714, 724, 734? First and last. Sometimes it has to be odd and even. Sometimes it's first and last, like the alpha omega. It's an obligation, just like the letter M, where it is in the alphabet. It's an obligation. It's not a vowel. It's an obligation. It's the omega of the primary part of the alphabet. Anyways, what we get here, the total number of dots we get here, okay, is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24 circles. These 24 circles, okay, and the circles meaning O's, which is the 15th letter, would give you 360, and that would be 360 degrees of anything, okay? At the same time, you're going to get 8 X's because I reused. I call this X, I call this O because this one's reused again. I only need one of them to connect. So there's 8 of them. And the funny thing about that is 8 times the 24th letter X is a total of, where's that total? 8 times 24 equals 192. And 192 is actually Trinity for angel and man, 64, 64, 64. The other thing with that, at the same time, we also get 4 x's, because the real truality is only one of these will become an x. The other one dissolves. It depends where it's working in each one of the scenarios. So there's only 4 x's, and 4 x's at the 24th letter equals 96. I feel like I'm on a racetrack or something. Slow down. Holy crap. Okay. So anyways, the total you end up getting at the end, okay, I'm trying to see where I lost my place here. Anyways, what I want to get to is that when you multiply it and then you add the 888, you end up getting 800 AM, which means it means the heavens of spirit and man. And again, it comes from the word of Jesus Christ. It's pretty crazy. The other thing I want to tell you or show you is how you get those 8s. What happens and where did they come about? Did you just make it up? Did I just make it up? The reason I just made up that last story is because of this story. 1, 2, 3. X marks the spot, the crossroads. Okay, it's a split in the road. It shouldn't be an X. It can be anything. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All these lines are passages. These are all lost, and they all become 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This could be actually behind my hand is the continuation. This is a picket fence. Somebody built the fence. One on this side, one on that side, one on this side, one on that side. They call it challah bread. Challah bread. You know what's so amazing? Is like I just learned that right now. Okay? I learn all the time. I love it. What I hate is that I go into this video stuff way too quick. What I hate is I only have 6 cigarettes left until tomorrow and I'm broke. I ate supper tonight. Okay? Somehow I am so connected the last couple of weeks, okay? But I'm not getting very much done. I don't know what you guys are learning or watching exactly. Okay, yes, I'm still here. Time for a commercial breaks. Brought to you by Light Me Up. Okay, so I feel like the enlightened one that sometimes I'm starting to look at it and I'm reading it is like, all right, sure, sure. It's like they changed the disc of my mind, and I'm looking at this, even if I wrote it, and it's starting to look real. Starting to look real where I can also say, okay, 1 and 4, I understand it. 2 and 3 is between it. 1 and 4 on the outside. 2 of each. 2 on the inside. 2 on the outside. Okay, 1 and 5, I understand. Because between 1 and 5 is 2, 3, 4, and I know between 5 and 9, which is the first 9 digits to be exact, okay, which is the same amount of numbers, which is 6, 7, and 8. We do not touch the 5 as the intermediate between the 1, the 5, and the 9. And then we get to M. But why do we go to M in the alphabet? Why do we go to M? Because M is the 13th letter. So that means if there's 26 letters and that's the 13th letter, there's got to be 13 others. That means it's an equal to the totality of the number of the sequence, and being the 13th letter, it counts for it, where the N is the beginning. They're big buddies, these guys. You know, M and N, hold on a second, I gotta write this down. A, E, M, N, O, U, Z, Y, letters that count. And the reason I say this, and I don't play Scrabble, but this might be a Scrabble terminology, numbers that count are alpha omegas, where you create a situation, okay, and in the situation, the first one is A, the last one is R, okay. So that's your extended alpha omega to where it will reconnect itself. One is the beginning, one is the end. Now you have to break up the interior. What belongs where in the group? How do you group these together? Don't forget, if you group them together, you have to design it on these squares. Okay, if there's lines between, there's a reason for it. If there's a space, there's a reason for it. Sometimes designs have to be made larger just to fit the formality of going on the lines. And then you'll see you can't put the two on top of each other. You'll either have one here or you'll have one here. It'll be here or here. There's no 5. 5 doesn't exist. It's only a passage, okay? You're going from here to here to here to here. It's hop, 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 hop. Because it's all half floors, just like these cards. They're all half floors. Do you know how many were the zeros I got from? If you take the 3 card, okay, and the 8 card, and the 10 card, let me show you what it looks like. I just made the images as circles. That would be 888, 888, 888. You understand what I'm saying? But look, this one's pointed up. This one's pointed down. You read them separately. This value is 2. This value is 7. Oh my God, the number of God. That's the number of God, 7-2. But if you want to look at it differently, right? Oh, I can't give you that card. I ripped it in half. If you want to look at something differently, I'm looking for a 3 of diamonds just so I don't forget. Scream out, hey, I see the 3 of diamonds. Where is that 3 of diamonds? I'm still going to have cards all over the place. I found the 3 of hearts. I found the 6 of diamonds. I found this. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll use the 6, and I know I'm using a little bit of your time. I found the 4, but that doesn't matter. Sure it does. Everything matters. Okay, I'm coming back to the last card, and I don't have it. So what I'm going to do is this. No, too high, that card. There we go. What we're going to do is this, you see. On this card, because this point and this point are the same, we can turn it over. Both sides get to use this. Okay? 1, 3, 5 equaling to 9. First letter A, third letter C, fifth letter E. What do you got? Ace. You flip it over. A, C, E. Ace. You got a pair of aces right here, my friends. 9 and 9 is I. It's 2 births. It equals 18. You turn into man 6, which is 3 times the angel resident number. Do you know why man turns to 5 and man turns to 6? Okay, because the 6th letter in the alphabet is business. And there's a business side, which is the egotistical and whatever else, however else you want to look at it. Anyways, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. So we have 9 and 9. We have 18. The upper world. And look, it even shows you it's the complete opposite. I don't even have to show you. I don't even have to show you. So anyways, what happens now with these bubbles, it would end up doing this. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. I don't know what to tell you. When you get an image, okay, that's the name of its birth spawn. Okay, the image is the birth spawn. What happened when the man was born? What happened before the man was born? What was the process God used? Why did he use all these 4 cards? What was he telling us about the 4 suits? Why did he tell us when you flip the diamond upside down, it's good for... Because the diamond, my friend, the diamond, my friend, is that connection. So that you and the angle of the transmission can connect. This is what it is. These big aces. Big ass ace. So, so letters in the middle like N, O, U, Z because it's the last letter. O because it's the only even number vowel, meaning it's the 15th letter, and 1 and 5 is 6. But A, E, I are all odd numbers in the single digits. The next one is U, the 21st letter. 2 and 1 is 3 for creation. U, and U equals 63, equals 9 is odd, odd, and odd. So the only one is O, so the O stands out. The N is before it, okay? the LMNOP, NOP, no problem, my friends. PON, 14, 29, 39, 45. The Fox connection. So all these numbers, you know, I mean, I'm just fooling around with it. I can most likely get it done a little bit tighter to where you might understand. And I'm working on that. I'm still working on it. When the videos are good, then I've done a good job. When the videos suck, well, I've done a lousy job. Sorry about that, my friends, that you reached so far deep into this video. And now you see that actually you've learned absolutely nothing more than wasting your time, which is not right, but not true either. Anytime somebody spends time looking for the insight to renew within themselves something of their own, you have always gained. There is never a loss, okay? How much better you feel when you can think about something, you're going out to mow the lawn and you have a good thought in your head. Got a good thought, we're going to mow the lawn. I got a good thought today. I had a good thought today. And I even know about my thoughts tomorrow. And I know a couple of my thoughts are going to really fuck me up tomorrow. And I already know what they are. And I'm ready for it. So if it happens the way I do, then it's okay. Like tomorrow, I get a few coin, right? You know what I'm saying? And like if I don't get it, like, hey man, like, hey man, what's up, man? What's the money, man? I don't want to do that. And I know I have to stand out for myself, but you know what? When you know what when the backslash feels like, you don't want to say it. You don't want to say it. So, you know, I'm prepared for it, so I don't say nothing. Or if I do, I sort of have to go, all right, yeah, sure, yeah, I'm going to be going to get a coffee. Can you pass me $5? Oh, yeah, your coinage, yeah. Okay. Anyways, as I showed you, this here is putting the 3, 8, and 10 together. The total equals 21. Okay? If we total the whole thing in 10 and all the cards that we put together, okay, we end up getting this formation, which is 4, 15, and 10. And then the opposite is the same amount. And I'm tired and I'm not happy with this cassette, so I'm going to end it right here. 17 minutes. Thank God I didn't waste too much more of your time. Did I show you about this already? 1, 2, 3, X. 1, 2, 3, X. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It keeps going back and forth. Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. But if you take the whole wheel and complete it, first of all, it takes a long time. I did it a long time ago. And it continues on just like a calendar would. Anyways, like I said, I've been taking up too much of your time, right? Right? Am I taking up any? Can we talk about Ron Paul? What? You're telling me to screw off. You told me you're finished. You're tired. Now you're trying to drag me back with somebody named Ron Paul. Oh my God. Okay, that's what I'm doing next. I'm gonna go watch some Ron Paul stuff. And thanks for watching this far. And anyways, when I tell you 21, right? The numbers that are not needed actually, because they're already included in the cards I've told you. Okay, and that was totaling this over here, creating this. You see, in the cards, the 2 card has 2 levels. The 3 card has 3 levels. The 4 card has 2 levels. You like that, eh? The 4 card and the 2 card each have 2 levels. I just thought of it. Sure, they have the top level and the bottom level. The 2 card has one in the middle at the top, one in the middle at the bottom. Oh my God, there's so many things. It just doesn't stop. I just learned that right here, right now. You saw it. That just made my day. Made my day. Raphael 7286. I'm waiting for Pegasus to come to my balcony and take me away. Take me away, my Pegasus, to the land of Oz. She shall not take me away, but she shall come to show us. She shall show us and open the gates to show us there is the land of Oz and give us that last chance. But all the same, if I had Pegasus, I'm quite sure some of my old buddies would know what I do with that horse. And away she goes.